Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ruchika, as you already know, and today I am here at the Westin Mumbai Powai Lake. And today I am going to give you the show round of my PS, means Presidential Suite of this hotel, which is at 35th floor. So you can see the number 3514. So let's get inside the suite. So when you get inside the presidential suite, you get to see this beautiful, well-lit living area, which has very comfortable and very enjoyable sofas, which really attract everybody who gets inside. So after this, I'll take you to just enjoy the view from this living room. Yeah, if you come closer, you will get to see that just behind those trees, there is IIT Mumbai, which is very well recognized, and all the IITians who are from here, they have been brought up with the big dreams to achieve great success in life. And on the other side, you can see just in front of the hills, yes, you can see Hiranandani Gardens. So these are the two major things which are visible from here, and definitely Powai Lake, which is there full of the crocodiles. Sometimes if you really want to spot them, you need to sit here for maybe for half an hour or 45 minutes. Now from here, I'll take you to the dining area. Yes. This is the dining area, and they have already placed this red wine bottle and these welcome amenities for me. There are fruits as well, and some cherries and chocolates and other things. With this, this is the kitchen area where we have the microwave and the sink and a special butler entry. From here, the butler can get inside, and yes, there is a refrigerator inside here. With this, again, we are crossing the living area. Now this is another section which we can say either waiting area or the sit out area, where the guest can come, sit and talk comfortably. So this is a different thing I have found in this PS. With this, I'll take you to the bedroom. Yes, the bedroom is so huge, and you can see the same kind of sofa set as here also, and the housekeeping has put these small gifts for me, and yes, definitely a thank you note. From here also you will see the view is really mesmerizing. Again from here as well we can see the IIT Mumbai and Hiranandani Gardens and Powai Lake. A lot of greenery really makes us feel fresh early in the morning when we look at it. So with this, I'll take you to the washroom area. And there is a surprise element that washroom area is full of mirrors, which makes it more interesting. So as we enter the washroom area, and there are two wash basins for him and her, and many towels kept below. This is the WC, and here is the shower cabin, and which has a sitting area as well, and from here you can see the slums of Mumbai as well. with this, I'll take you to the other section of the washroom area, and the other section is here. The bath stall is here, so we can easily sit inside and enjoy the bath. And we can even close the blinds. This is the storage area where we have enough space and a locker as well. Enough space for the storage. And the best part of this storage area is that it again gets connected with the bedroom directly. There is a door which directly takes me to the bedroom, which makes using the things very comfortable and quick. One thing which I like the most about this living area is that it has two center tables which are enormous in size and beautiful. The combination of white and black has been used very nicely. This is the powder room for the guests who are coming to meet me. Fully facilitated with all the things required here. And yes, definitely, the tariff of this presidential suite is 3 lakh rupees per night. It is too much, but I really did not pay this much. I have paid 20k per night. As you know, I am an Ambassador Elite member, so using the benefit of that membership, I have just got it in 20k per night. So this is what is most interesting apart from this PS. Yes. So if you wish, even you can come with your family and friends here. You can enjoy, and you have to learn how to get all these upgrades. So very shortly I am going to put a video in which in detail I'll talk about how to get the membership, how to become platinum, and other benefits. So you will be able to use all those. Thank you so much. Bye bye.